Good day everyone, I'm Raina Mantile from BSPH 2Y2-2 and I'm going to explain and compute the following equations in assignment 2, expression of concentration. For our number 1, if 0.5600 gram of sodium bicarbonate is titrated with 0.9165 normality of sulfuric acid, what volume of acid should be required to produce an endpoint in liter? So ang hinahanap nga natin dito is yung volume. And yung given natin is 0.5600 gram of sodium bicarbonate and 0.9165 normality of sulfuric acid. So first, hanapin muna natin yung total ni sodium bicarbonate. (16 times 3, 48, 12 times 1, hydrogen 1 times 1, sodium which is 23 times 1. So i-compute natin. 48 plus 12 plus 1 plus 23, which is 84 gram per mole. And second, MEQ, molecular weight over factor times 1,000. So yung MEQ natin, which is yung molecular weight ng sodium bicarbonate, 84 gram per mole, and yung factor niya is 2 times 1,000. 84 divided by 2,000, which is 0.042. Third step, normality, which is gram over MEQ times ml. And convert natin into ml is equals to gram over normality MEQ. Fourth step is ml is equals to 0.5600 gram, which is yun nga yung gram ng sodium bicarbonate over yung normality natin, which is 0.9165, and then yung MEQ natin, which is 0.042. So i-compute natin. So ml is equals to 0.5600 gram over 0.9165, 0.042 is equals to 14.54809965 or 14.54 ml. But ang hinahanap is liter. So i-convert natin yung 14.54 ml divided by 1,000 is equals to 14.54 divided by 1,000 is equals to 0.01454, or in 2 decimal point is 0.01 liter. So for the number 2, if it is assumed that a sample of pure sodium carbonate weighing 2.6250 gram required 60.20 ml of the acid in the titration, what is the normality of the acid? So ang hinahanap nga natin dito is yung normality. And yung given natin is 2.6250 gram of sodium carbonate and 60.20 ml acid in the titration. So first, kuhanin muna natin yung total ng sodium carbonate. Times 3, 48. Carbon, which is 12 times 1. Sodium, 23 times 2 is equals to 46. So i-compute natin. 48 plus 47 is equals to 106 gram per mole. And number 2 is compute natin yung MEQ, which is molecular weight is equals to factor times 1,000. So molecular weight ng sodium carbonate is 106 and yung factor niya is 2 times 1,000. So it equals to 106 divided by 2,000, which is 0.053. And then third is yung sa normality na, kasi meron na tayong gram, MEQ, and ml. So normality is equals to gram over MEQ times ml. Yung gram natin, which is yung 2.6250 gram. Yung MEQ natin is 0.053. And then times yung ml natin, which is yung 60.20 ml. So, compute natin, 2.6250 over 0.053 times 60.20 ml is equals to 0.82, 27, 29, 26, 7, or in 2 decimal point is 0.082 normality. For number 3, what is the number of the equivalents per mole of tripotassium phosphate and what is the equivalent weight of this salt? So first, kunin muna natin yung total ng tripotassium phosphate, which is K3PO4. Oxygen, 16 times 4, which is 64. Phosphorus, which is 31 times 1, 31. Potassium, which is 39 times 3, is equals to 117. So, i-compute natin. 64 plus 31 plus 117, which is 212 gram per mole. So, second, yung equivalent weight. I-compute natin equivalent weight, which is equivalent weight is equals to molecular weight over valence. Equivalent weight is equals to yung molecular weight natin, which is 212 gram per mole. Yung valence natin, which is 3. So, i-compute natin. 212 divided by 3 is equals to 70.66666667, or in 2 decimal places is 70.67 gram per equivalent. And for our last number, a solution contains 5% weight per volume aluminum sulfate, 14H2O, molecular weight is equals to 600. Assuming there is a complete ionization, calculate the osmolarity of the solution. Yung given natin is 5% weight per volume of aluminum sulfate and the molecular weight is 600 gram per mole. So first, 5% weight per volume is equals to 5 grams over 100 ml times grams and then 1000 ml. So cross multiply is equals to 5 gram times 1000 ml over 100 ml. So cancel is equals to, compute natin, 5 gram times 1000 ml divided by 100, which is 50 gram per liter. And then second, yung solution na for osmolarity. Osmolarity. Weight in gram per liter over molecular weight, which is gram din dito dapat, and times number of species times 1,000. So, yung weight in gram per liter natin is 50. And yung molecular weight natin, which is yung 600 GN, times number of species is 5 times 1,000. So, i-compute natin. 50 times 5 times 1,000 divided by 600 is equals to 416.666667, or in 2 decimal point is 416.67 most mole over or per liter.